Hey guys!
Welcome back to our channel.
It's been a while since we posted something because due to the virus we were a bit stuck in the Netherlands. But now things are getting less difficult in the Netherlands. The borders are opening up, so we decided to come to Germany.
Germany!
And we're now at a moment towards a waterfall. But this is not an end stop. We're gonna head towards the Black Forest. Just arrived at Heidelberg.
We're standing now on the old bridge from the town.
And it's on the Neckar River here in Germany. And in the background you can see a beautiful castle. We just made it to the beautiful waterfall. As you see, it goes from down here way up there. It's a pretty long way down.
It's one of the biggest waterfalls from Germany.
So if you're ever in Germany,
it's definitely a must.
So we just woke up here in Germany. We slept on a beautiful hotel in the mountains. The weather has changed pretty much, as you can see. It's pretty windy and pretty cold.
Now on the way to Rayen Charlotte, and right now it's a very big bridge with a train on it full of